What's going on, guys? It's Matt from Trendset, and today we are talking about a cool new app I found for my iPhone that works with my A7 III that lets me control all of my things together, and it's completely free. What more do you want? So what we're talking about today is the new Sony Imaging App. It's been around for a while, and they just did a revamp to it that I think really helped out. And so what this device does is lets me use my phone here as a monitor. So I have my screen recording here now. I can see myself through here. So as you can see, all of this is going on the screen here. I can use this as a monitor as reference or to change settings, which is super cool because I can go in here now and just come in to my menu here, click on my shutter speed, and now I can change my shutter speed and make it really dark. We don't want this, but now I know that this is not good for the video, so I got to bring this back down to 150. So there we go, and then now we can see that we're in focus again. So this is a really handy tool for someone like a YouTuber or anything like that that's shooting videos of themselves. This gives you access to a free monitor to allow you to see what is actually going on. I mean, it's not the best because there is a little bit of lag. You can't complain, it's free. Connection between the two devices is super easy. It's a matter of going into my Wi-Fi here. As you can see me here, I'll do right now. If we jump into my Wi-Fi, you can see that I have the direct, the name of my camera is right there. You just connect to that, and then you jump back into the Imaging Edge mobile app, and they will just pair together. See, and boom, there you go. Turning off Bluetooth will make it a little bit nicer. And then we're right back into streaming. Because I'm recording and all this right now, I think we're getting a lot of lag on my phone here, but you guys get the point. So this app is pretty cool because it gives you access to a lot of features that are on your camera right now. Something like a self timer you can set up on here, ISO, shutter speed, aperture. As long as you're using a Sony lens, they all work pretty flawlessly. If I'm using the Metabones or something like that, I find that it is really janky when I'm changing my aperture. It sometimes gets stuck, sometimes it just freezes, it doesn't know what to do. But if you're using Sony on Sony, I don't find any issues here at all. It works perfectly. It's a pretty simple little tool. There's not a whole lot of bells and whistles to it yet. I think they can do a lot of improvements to this that would make it really sweet, especially for the video side. Wish I could start my video from here. Unfortunately, to start a video, I have to go to the camera, press the record button on the back, and then sit down, make sure I'm framed properly, posture up, and then we can start the video. So, I mean, it'd be cool if I could start it straight from the phone and then start the video, but I mean, whatever. It's not that hard for me to get up and go press the start button, I guess. This app is pretty sweet. If you are a Sony user and you want something to view yourself, you're having a tough time because it kills you that you can't see the screen like me right now, well, you can get this app and then you can see yourself here. All in all, the Sony Imaging app is, I think it's Sony Imaging Edge app, is super sweet. It's free. Go download it if you got a Sony. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hopefully this app helps you be able to shoot YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. It was just a quick one letting you know about this cool app. If you got any questions or concerns about anything video, filmmaking related, my name is Matt. Let me know in the comments down below and we'll get back to you. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to today's episode.